Okay. Now you see the example number 46. In this example number 46, weight at birth of babies is normally varied with mean 3.5 kg. Normally, newly born baby weight. Newly born baby weight is 3.5 kg average. Okay. And standard deviation of the newly born baby is 0.9 kg. 0.9 kg. Standard deviation means it deviation. It deviates from 0.9 kg. So in this problem, newly born babies normally variate. Mean is 3.5 and standard deviation is 0.9. And first question they asked, find the probability. Find the probability that newly born baby weight is less than 2 kg. Less than 2 kg. Okay. So probability of X is less than 2 kg. You have to solve the question. Probability of X is less than 2 kg. And second question, what percentage of babies would you expect? What percentage, not the number. They ask the percentage. What percentage of babies would you expect to weight between 2.5 and 4.5 kg? The question is, second question is, what is the percentage of babies weight between 2.5 and 4.5 kg? Percentage of babies. Okay. So first you have to calculate the probability. After calculating the probability, if you multiply by the n number of uh, variables, if you multiply by n, you will get a number. If you multiply by 100, you will get the percentage. Remember this. This point I already explained. First you calculate probability. Then you calculate number or percentage. Number you calculate with the help of n value, multiply with n. Then percentage multiply by 100. Okay. So in this problem, mean is equal to 3.5 and standard deviation is 0.9. Standard deviation is 0.9. So the first question is less than 2 kg. Less than 2 kg weight. Probability they asked to calculate. Probability of less than 2 kg is equal to probability of X is less than 2. Probability of X is less than 2. This problem you solve and you will get the answer. So standard normal variate Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation. X minus mean divided by standard deviation. This is the equation. So you write this equation twice. Once again I will show. You write this equation in place of X. Secondly, you write in the place of 2. Okay. Then your solution is probability of X minus 3.5 divided by 0.9. It is the standard normal period value. If you write the equation, probability of X is less than 2. This equation, under that, in place of X, you write X minus 3.5 divided by 0.9. Okay, you write the equation and fill the value. And in the second equation, X value is 2 minus 3.5 divided by 0.9. This equation I recorded here in place of X. and second in place of 2. So in place of x, I recorded the 2 value. Okay. Next step, probability of x is smaller than 2, less than 2 is equal to probability of x is equal to x minus 3.5 minus 0.9 is smaller than minus 1.5. 2 minus 3.5. 2 minus 3.5 is equal to minus 1.5 divided by 0.9. Divided by 0.9. Okay. In the next step, probability of x is less than 2 is equal to probability of z. In place of standard normal variate equation, again I write the z. Z is smaller than minus 1.67. If you divide 1.5 divided by 0.9, 1.5 divided by 0.9 is equal to 1.67, minus 1.67. Okay. In this stage, you draw the graph. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So this is the graph, normal distribution graph. Here is the 0. This is the normal distribution graph. Then your value is minus. Your value is minus. So in the minus side, you give one line. This is the line. Okay. And the value of this line is minus 1.67. Minus 1.67. Okay. Then Z is smaller than 1.67. Z is smaller than 1.67. Therefore, you mark left hand side. Left hand side. Okay. Okay, you mark the left hand side. Like this, you mark the area. Okay, this is the less than area. Okay. Now you see here, your area required. Your area required is, this is the area required. This is area required means minus 1.67 to minus infinity. Here is the minus infinity. Last end is minus infinity. Okay. But it is not possible to calculate directly. Therefore, you calculate value from 0 to minus infinity. You calculate minus infinity, and out of that you deduct the not required area. Not required area is 0 to minus 1.67. This area is not required. Okay. Here is the minus infinity. Okay. So area required is minus 1.67 to minus infinity required, but it is not directly possible. So you calculate area from 0 to minus infinity. 0 to minus infinity. Its value is 0.5. Okay. 0.5. And not required area is 0 to minus 1.67. This is not required. So you deduct it. So your solution is, you see here, Z is smaller than minus 1.67 is equal to area from 0 to minus infinity. Out of this, you deduct minus area from 0 to minus 1.67. Okay, is equal to Z is equal to 0.5 is the area from 0 to minus infinity. This is known to you people. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದೇರಿ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅರ್ಧ 0.5 ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅರ್ಧ 0.5 ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 0.5 and 1.67 you see in the normal distribution table. In the normal distribution table 1.67 value is 0.47 minus 0.4525 is the value as per table, normal distribution table. You go through the table. If you deduct it, the probability of Z is smaller than 0. Probability of Z is smaller than 1 minus 1.67 is equal to 0.0475. 0.0475 is the probability. It is the probability value. The first question they asked probability. In the first question they asked the probability. Okay. In the first question they asked the find the probability. Okay, probability is this is the probability. But in the second question they ask the percentage. Second question they ask the percentage. I will calculate the percentage. Okay. Second question is between 2.5 to 4.5 kg. The weight of newly born baby weight between 2.5 to 4.5 kg. You calculate first and then multiply by 100. That will give you percentage. That will give you percentage. Remember this. Okay. So probability of X is greater than, probability of X is greater than 2.5 and less than 4.5. In between ittandre X na nadu bardu, sanadana first dodadana last baril. Okay, this is in between. Probability of X is in between 2.5 and 4.5. Then Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation is equal to Z is equal to X minus 3.5 divided by 0.9. Okay. So you write this equation. You write this equation 3 times. This equation you write 3 times. This equation write in place of 2.5. First time you write in the 2.5 and in place of X you write 2.5. In the second time you write in place of X. The same equation in place of X. And you write X value is X. And in the third time you write in place of 4.5. 3 times you have to write this equation. You write this equation 3 times and in place of X you write the number in the first point, first equation 2.5, second equation X and third equation 4.5 in place of X. Okay. Then your answer is probability of X Probability of x is smaller than 2.5 and probability of x is greater than 2.5 and smaller than 4.5. Then your equation is, you see here 2.5 minus 3.5. 2.5 in place of x minus 3.5 divided by 0.9. X minus 3.5 divided by 9. This is x. And 4.5 minus 3.5 divided by 9.9. 4.5. So you see the equation very carefully. How to write the equation? This equation here, this equation here, the same equation here. Okay. In place of x, you write the number. This is the first number, this is the second number, and this is the third number. In place of x, you write the number and then solve the problem. Okay. So probability of x so probability of x is greater than 2.5 and smaller than 4.5. Then probability of x is 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 3.5 minus 1 divided by 9. The second equation comes as it is. Third equation 4.5 minus 3.5 1 divided by 0.9. First is minus 1, last is plus 1. Remember this. Okay. In the next step, probability of x is smaller, greater than 2.5 and smaller than 4.5 is equal to minus 1.11. 1 divided by 0.9. 1 divided by 0.9 is equal to minus 1.11. And in place of standard normal distribution place, you write the standard normal variate z, z sign. Then 1 divided by 0.9 is equal to 1.11. This is the solution. In this stage, you draw the graph. You draw the graph. Your graph is like this. This is zero value. Okay. This is the zero value. And in the left hand side, this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. Okay. This is plus infinity. Then next you draw one line on the positive side, another line in the negative side, because one is minus, another is plus. So plus side I will give one line and its value is 1.11. 1.11. Okay. And in the negative side I will give one line. Negative side I will give one line. Its value is minus 1.11. Okay. And area required is in between these two. Between these two, minus 1.11 to 1.11 area is required. Okay. This area you have to find out. This area you have to find out. Then how to find out? Mark the area. You first mark the area. Like this, you mark the area. You give any sign. You give plus sign, minus sign, dots, or straight lines. Okay, the area I marked. Now you come to the what is the area required? Minus 1.12. Your area required is, this is the area required, minus 1.12 plus 1.11. Minus 1.11 plus 1.11 area is required. How to calculate this area? This area you ascertain with the help of 0 to minus 1.11 and 0 to plus 1.11. The total area is the value of your probability. The total area value is your probability. Therefore, you write the equation. So your equation is probability of minus 1.11 is smaller than Z. Z is smaller than plus 1.11 is equal to area from 0 to 1.11 minus 1.11 plus area from 0 to plus 1.11. 1.11. Your point is there. One point 11. Okay. 1.11. So you go through the table, normal distribution table. You go through the normal distribution table. In the normal distribution table, you see the value. So as per normal distribution table, 1.11 value is 1.11 value is 0.3665. Okay, and another is also 1.11. 1.11. Okay, 1.11 value is, first value is 0.3665 plus 0.3665. This is the value of first, this is the value of second, the two values. If you take the total, your answer is probability of Z is smaller than 1, greater than 1.11 and smaller than plus 1.11 is equal to 0.7330. If you take the total, its answer is, this is the answer. Okay, this is the probability. This is the probability, but they asked to calculate, percentage of babies. So percentage of babies between 2.5 kg and 4.5 kg is equal to probability of X into percentage. Probability of X into percentage. Percentage means 100. Okay. So percentage of babies in between 2.5 kg to 4.5 kg is equal to probability is 0.7330. And percentage means 100. You multiply by 100. Okay. Is equal to 73.30. 73.30 babies weight is 73.33 30% babies weight is in between 2.5 kg to 4.5 kg. Okay, this is the answer for the second question. And once again I will tell you, if they ask to calculate probability, you directly calculate the probability step. After calculating the probability, if they ask to calculate the number, if they calculate the n value, then you multiply by n with probability. Probability into n will give you number value. And if they ask to calculate percentage, then you multiply the probability with 100. Multiply the probability with 100, you will get the percentage. These are the points you remember regarding the this normal distribution. Modulu probability calculate madre. First equation form madlik ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. First you are able to form the equation. Less than, more than. Sign you have to give regarding x value. Then in between means you put the value of x in the middle. You write the x in the middle and that x should be middle of given limits. Given limits. Okay, in between means. And solve the problem. This is the very easy. Normal distribution is the very easy for solution. Only thing is area calculation. Area calculation you have to make. Okay. And with this, today it is enough for you people, and we will see the remaining in the next class.